Hello students, today I discuss about kite. So kite is a quadrilateral, a plane quadrilateral which has two sides of equal adjacent side opposite to each other. It's called kite. This is the definition of a kite. So it has equal adjacent sides opposite to each other. So we can draw two type of kite like this. They are two equal adjacent sides and this is the opposite equal adjacent side. So this is called convex kite. Here AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. And we can draw also concave type of kite. Here MN and NP is equal and ON and OP is equal. So this is also a kite. So we can find out two type of convex and concave type of kite. Now properties: the two diagonals are perpendicular to each other. It means that a kite has two perpendiculars. You can draw any quadrilateral has two perpendiculars. So the two diagonals. So in a kite, the diagonals will be perpendicular. So we have to prove this. So here we can look that AC is a longer diagonal and BD is a shorter diagonal. Now hence here we have taken ABCD is a kite, convex type, and AC and BD are two diagonals which meet at the point O. We have taken the point O. So we have to prove that BD perpendicular to AC. Now by definition of kite, we know that AB is equal to CD. AB will be equal to AD and AO is common. AB is equal to AD and AO is common, and if we consider this is a isosceles triangle ABD, two sides are equal, so its opposite angles will be also equal for being isosceles triangle. So we can use this in this way. Angle ABD is equal to angle ADB. So for this is a isosceles triangle. So we can now write angle ABO is equal to angle ABO is equal to angle ADO. So we have so by SAS principle we can write down that triangle ABO and triangle ADO both are congruent by SAS law. So since these are these two triangles, angles ABO and ADO are congruent, so we can find out that angle ABO is equal angle AOB is equal to angle AOD, similar angles. Angles AOD AOB is equal to angle AOD, similar angles. So also since angle BOD is a straight triangle, so we can write down that angle AOB is equal to angle ADO AOD is equal to 90 degree. So we can prove that in this way you can prove that each diagonal are perpendicular of a kite. The second property states that the larger diagonal bisects to the shorter diagonal. It means that the larger diagonal AC bisects the shorter diagonal BD, or we can say BO is equal to OD. So we have already proved that these two triangles, angle ABO, angles ADO are congruent. So BO and OD are similar sides, so it will be equal. So this property is also proved. And the third property is that the angle opposite to the larger diagonal are equal. Means the largest angles along the larger diagonal, opposite angles are angle ABC and angle ADC. So these two angles will be equal. So how can we prove this? Angle ABC and angle ADC. So we have since proved that triangle ABO and angle ADO congruent. So we have angle ABO and angle ADO are equal, similar angles. And also by definition, by property of 1, we have proved that AC is perpendicular to BD. So we have and also we have BC is equal to CD by definition of kite, and OC is common side. So by principle of RHS, we can prove that angle BOC and angle COD are congruent. So since they are congruent, these two sides, angle OBC and angle ODC, are equal. So if we write down this is 1 and this is 2, then if we add these two, we can very easily prove that angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. So we can prove these three properties in this way of a kite. So if you like these videos, then like, share with your friends.